Good afternoon, everyone. Aki and Kakawa, Aku Ojametati and Physics Maths this month channel. I think if everyone should enjoy Patakoi. Is that your one? The later one will mirror formula. Not the fair mirror formula. La fair way. Going to the jam. The Shiwaek. Again, subscribe to be a like. Again, you can subscribe to like. Share the job. Left him won't answer. Yeah. Any questions now? A mirror has a focal length. I want to know mirror formula. Mirror formula, the one for 1 all over f equals to 1 over v plus 1 all over u. Can f, can v, can u? F is focal length, v is image distance, u is object distance. Whatever thing going, focal length, image distance, object distance. Now, then we come for mirror. Must all type of mirror today or correctable. Focal length of 12 centimeter. F is equal to 12 centimeter. Image distance, which is of our phone, V is equal to 24 centimeter. Then we want to find the object distance. So we're going to isn't it, which is this object distance. Below about you, when you broke on 1 all over 12 is equal to 1 all over 24 plus 1 all over u. See how simple is it? You can get 1 over u is equal to 1 over 12 minus 1 all over 24. To check when you find the SL, which is nothing but what, 24. How many 2 are there? How many 12 are there? 2 times 1. How many 24? 1 times 1. Everything equals to 1 over u. Therefore, you must find 1 all over 24. Can you see? Then at the end of the day, I'm going 1 over to you look 1. Kilo 1 b, and then put u is also what? That is 24 centimeter. Because when you call this one, or cross multiply, imagine u equals to 24 centimeter. We should learn to 10 years. If I will question KG, not to hold a jubi, don't have to say. In question KG something. The SCM to what Billy Daddy, my friend 24, 12 and 24 too. In this one, that is 2 minus this. Now, as I will like KG, the radius of a curvature of a concave mirror, so we know what to do for. Focal length of every concave mirror is positive according to the new sign convention. Radius of a curvature is living here. The come into coconi dimbi when you pay. Now, coconi dimbi when you put coco, we can actually below a radius of a curvature and focal length. Radius of a curvature is equal to 2 focal length. In that the focal length, you must do 1 all over 2 of radius of a curvature. That is into my gentle. I just maybe following radius of a curvature is 60 centimeter. But if one R is what? 60 centimeter. Yes, R is 60 centimeter. And an object is placed 40 centimeter. Object in U is equal to 40 centimeter. U is 40 centimeter. From the mirror, find the image distance. V, you'll need to find the image. So I look at really important. I will let you know. Look at the formula time 1 all over F is equal to 1 over V plus 1 over U. So I need V and I need L at U. F I need F is going to be equal to 1 over 2 times 60, which is going to give you 30 centimeter. This is going to give you 30 centimeter. I jẹ́ pé màá ní 1 all over 30 is equal to 1 all over V I'm looking for plus 1 all over 40 tí wọ́n ti fún mi. Màá kàn gbé ilé iwájú lè náà ní ilé ìwé dàdúró tẹ̀, which is 1 over V is equal to 1 over 30 minus 1 over 40. What is the LCM? I can say 120. 30 in 120, that is 40. Minus how many of this one? 4 money. That is 120 divided by 30. That is 4. 14 comes. This one is 3. Everything all over 1 all over V. Don't copy it. 1 all over V will be equals to 1 all over 120. If you are not mistaken, therefore your V is equal to 120 centimeter. V equals to what? 120 centimeter. That is the mirror formula for you. That is how to use what? Mirror formula. That one will be the end of this. Therefore, any question you have, again, you can be able just to introduce it to us. And we are still going to bring more of this question. Good afternoon. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share it. Let other people also benefit from it. Good day and good afternoon.